Capture your adventures in stunning detail with the best GoPro camera on the market. Whether you're a thrill seeker, outdoor enthusiast, or content creator, the right GoPro can elevate your storytelling to new heights. And that's where our guide to the top 5 best GoPro cameras you can buy for this year comes in. As always, all the links to products you'll find in the description below, and let us know in the comments which tech-related topics you'd like to see in our next videos. The GoPro Hero 9 Black emerges as a resilient contender among the top GoPro cameras, holding the 5th spot. Boasting a remarkable 5K video resolution at 30 FPS and a front-facing display, it addresses past critiques while enhancing user experience for selfie enthusiasts and bloggers. Weighing 5.6 ounces, it is slightly hefty, but this is outweighed by its versatility, with a removable lens allowing for filter additions like the Max Lens mod for stabilized wide-angle shots. Its improved battery life and water resistance of up to 33 feet make it a reliable companion even in challenging conditions. Though the Hero 10 has taken the spotlight, the Hero 9 remains a formidable choice, especially considering its reduced price tag of $199. Despite being overshadowed by its successor, the Hero 9's features, including the live preview front display and 5K resolution, make it a compelling option for those seeking high-quality footage. The GoPro Hero 10 Black stands tall as the 4th best among its GoPro counterparts, a dynamic force in the realm of action cameras. Weighing in at a mere 5.3 ounces, it captures life's adventures with a prowess that has earned it a stellar reputation. Its 5K video at 60 FPS and 23 megapixels stills transport users into a realm of unparalleled clarity and detail. A front-facing screen, a rare gem in vlogging cameras, aids in framing perfect shots. Powered by the G2 processor, this Hero 10 surges ahead with doubled frame rates and unparalleled image stabilization technology. Its piece de resistance is the Hypersmooth 4.0 video stabilization, recording at 5.3K 60p. Attach it to your helmet, chest, or even the best selfie stick for versatility. Priced at $249, this powerhouse not only exceeds expectations but also caters to the budget-conscious, making it an ideal choice for those seeking super smooth, high-quality video without breaking the bank. The GoPro Max, ranked as the 3rd best among GoPro cameras, is more than just a compact device. It's a portal to immersive storytelling. Sporting a distinctive ability to capture 360-degree videos at an impressive 5.6K 60 FPS, this camera offers a unique perspective. The 2.9 by 2.6 by 1.6-inch device, weighing a mere 4.6 ounces, stands out for its splash-proof design, suitable for adventurous souls. Though not the top GoPro model, the Max boasts a helpful back display, granting a glimpse into its perspective. The Hypersmooth stabilization ensures that your footage remains steady, even in turbulent conditions, while the image quality at 5.6K 30 FPS attests to GoPro's commitment to excellence. Despite its innovation, the Max necessitates a selfie stick for optimal use and lacks a tripod mount, requiring additional accessories. Priced at $349, this GoPro offers a gateway to dynamic and captivating visual storytelling, making it a worthwhile investment for those seeking a blend of innovation and quality in their adventures. Introducing the GoPro Hero 11 Black, a visual marvel that stands as the number 2 gem in the GoPro camera lineup. With a mesmerizing 5K 60 FPS max video resolution and a 27 megapixels max photo resolution, this compact powerhouse delivers more than just stunning visuals. It offers a canvas for creativity. Its first 9-inch image sensor, boasting an 8:7 aspect ratio, captures expansive views and grants unparalleled flexibility in post-production editing. Weighing in at a mere 5.4 ounces, the Hero 11 Black is a featherweight champion with water resistance up to 33 feet, allowing you to dive into the depths of creativity. The dual touch screens offer intuitive control, while a battery life of 1x38 ensures you won't miss capturing life's thrilling moments. Its $299 price tag makes it an affordable gateway to a world of cinematic possibilities. Say hello to the GoPro Hero 12 Black, a cinematic powerhouse and our crowned champion among action cameras. Packed with cutting-edge features, this device is a marvel, capturing life's moments with breathtaking clarity. Boasting a max video resolution of 5.3K at 60 FPS and a stellar 27 megapixels photo resolution, the Hero 12 is a visual maestro. Its compact design and weighing just 5.4 ounces make it a versatile companion for any adventure. What sets the Hero 12 apart is its upgraded video performance, shooting smoother and higher resolution footage than its predecessor. The addition of Bluetooth headphone support enhances audio recording capabilities, eliminating the need for an external microphone. Despite retaining the Hero 11's excellent water resistance and stabilization features, the Hero 12 comes at a more accessible price point of $349. While the Hero 12 may resemble its predecessor, its enhanced capabilities and lower price tag make it a beacon of innovation in the world of action cameras, capturing not just images, but the essence of every moment. That just finished our video. Which one is your favorite? Why not let us know in the comments below, and if you enjoyed the video, give us a like. If you want to see more high-quality videos, make sure to hit that subscribe button and you'll get the latest videos straight to your mailbox. That way, you'll never miss a future upload. See you in the next video.